It's a beautiful lake. It's a unique setting. I mean, northern Saskatchewan, you can't go wrong up here.
There's something special about the Canadian province of Saskatchewan. To many, they know Saskatchewan as nothing but wheat fields and prairies. Well, I'm here to tell you that couldn't be further from the truth. Northern Saskatchewan for anglers is a wild paradise, with lodges catering to fly anglers from all over the world. You can expect pristine water, incredible Canadian hospitality, and of course, more fish than any angler can handle. Fly fishers can target several species in Saskatchewan, including northern pike,
That is a fish of a lifetime.
lake trout, walleye, and even Arctic grayling.
Holy smokes, you're a largie.
It truly is an angler's paradise.
That is a gorgeous fish.
That's a beast.
This big fish adventure starts right now on the new Fly Fisher.
It's unlike any place I've fished before. The people are fantastic and the fishing is on fire.